Okay, so let's do a very simple select query. So since we've already specified the host, the server, the password, and the database that we're using, we can do a, let's see, results equals $SQL, and we'll do query, and the query is going to be select star from messages. All right, so we could do if not results. So just in case the query fails for some reason, echo error, selecting messages. All right, so in this case, we shouldn't see that. So I should be able to say echo SQL num, I'm sorry, not SQL, results dash num rows and oops, semicolon. So I should see how many rows we just selected. Cool, 3. Oh man, this is perfect. So everything's working perfectly. I'm actually a little bit scared. All right, so let's do echo. So we'll say blank messages found. And then since we're creating HTML markup, we're gonna create a, let's see, do a horizontal row. See what that looks like. So it'll say 3 messages found. Great. So now let's iterate through that result. So we'll do something like, make a little bit of space. Oop, what have I done? All right. All right, so let's do while, and then we'll say record equals results. So we're just gonna basically go through each one of the rows. That's all that we're doing here. Fetch underscore ASSOC, which is a method on that. I'm gonna save that just to make sure that everything's okay. So no errors, everything looks okay. So we'll say echo, and let's just do a counter too. So we'll do I equals 0, I plus plus. So we'll say in bold, of course, we want to have bold. Actually, you know what? Let's do in H3. So we'll say message number. Well, I'm using, so I can just do I. Message number I. Oop. Oh, I have an error. Okay, so we see that my error is because I am missing a semicolon here. But let's just say that we didn't know. Like, what the hell's going on? I can't figure out what my error is. Let me show you how we can do that. So I'm going to SSH to that server. So WiBit at... was it 192.168.15. something? Oh, 137. Okay, so by default, I should be able to go out to my Apache error directory. So if you haven't made any changes and you follow this exactly, I can go tail the end of /var/log/Apache2/error.log. All right, so this is telling me that there was a PHP error. So it was expecting either that, or that. So it's pretty simple. It tells me the line number 22. So it's actually really simple. And if I do a tail-F and just leave this running, then as errors pop up, they'll show up in this log. So minimize that and leave it there, just in case it happens again. So I'll fix that and refresh it. Ooh, nice. Okay, so let's do echo. And what we'll do is we'll do record. And we want record time, which is the field that we want to select or that we want to extract from this record object. So we should see that, and then these times. Okay, let me do a real quick PHP date. So if you just do PHP date format, you'll find that there is a date function, and we will just find a simple format. I don't really feel like building a string, so we'll just get one that's already built for us. So we'll do like, here we go. We'll do an ISO 8601 date, or even better, we'll do an RFC 2822 date. So we'll just do a lowercase r. So check this out. So I'm going to format this by doing date, and then by format r, and then the timestamp. Ooh, look at that. We got everything we need. How beautiful is that? All right, other than we need the message next. So let me do echo, and then we'll do a break, and then echo, and then record, and then message. Okay, so let's see what that does. Okay, now I am going to throw one thing in here. I want to pre-format the text. So we'll do pre. And I also want to make sure that there aren't any HTML entities in this string, so somebody can't put a message in my database that injects some JavaScript or does some nefarious thing. So we'll do HTML entities, and that will eliminate that problem. All right. Boom. So it's nice and pre-formatted, so if there was like a new line or something like that, it would look good, and I wouldn't have to do anything crazy. So at this point, we have a working LAMP stack. The problem is, there is no HTTPS, so we can't do a secured connection. So if I do HTTPS://, ooh, the site does not provide a secure connection. I say we fix that.